Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for stopping by. So in today's video, we're going to be making a DIY afro puff. So if you're interested in this video, please continue watching and also hit the subscribe button if you have not yet done so already. So guys, I'm just going to start by marking the lines on my cap where I want the puff to be, and after then I start to crochet my kinky cords to my wig. So this is the kinky coils DIY that I did before, so I'm just going to reuse the same extensions again for this tutorial, guys. Keep like a real love, but it goes so fast, all tied up. So guys, for this tutorial you need a crochet pin, and also you need this kind of wig cap. I will highly recommend this cap if you want to make an afro puff. So you guys are used to the drawstring kind of puff, but in this video I'm just going to change the game by using just an elastic band and some wig comb. So I'm going to be using comb for this tutorial. So guys, if you want to find out how I am going to do it, just keep on watching. So now I am just crocheting. Oh my god. I'm just trying to crochet this my kinky cords to my wig cap. So guys, if you have not seen the video where I made this kinky cords, I will just leave a card up here so you can go and check it out after watching this one. Okay, so this is what I will continue doing until I get to the top, like to the places, to the top where I marked. I will continue like that, as you can see what I am doing right now. All right, so let's keep on doing it. I believe by now so many of you already know how to use a crochet pin. If you don't already know, just pay attention to what I'm doing, you will understand. Okay, for the answers to the universe, waiting for someone to wake me up, tell me that this is all just a dream. I'm still waiting for a different sign, waiting for someone to take me away, get these thoughts off my mind. As I wait, thinking of you, hoping that you are thinking of me too. I cannot sleep without you by me, and I miss you, I miss you, I miss you. So guys, for this tutorial I used 1 pack of expression for this kinky coils that you see here. So everything I'm going to use for this afro puff is just 1 pack of expression, so in case you want to do your own. Okay, so guys, let's continue crocheting the kinky cords to the cap until we get to the last place, which is the middle. So you're gonna want your puff to be very full, so you don't have some empty spaces when you wear your puff. So you want it to be as real as possible. You know African hair now, you know how full our hair can be, our natural hair can be. So that is what we are trying to achieve with this puff. Okay, so we're going to complete the cycle by filling in the empty spaces that you see right there. we're going to start trimming off the excess ones that we don't need. We don't need all this hair to make a puff, so it's not a ponytail, it's a puff. So we're going to start by trimming off all the excess hair that we do not need. And you're going to have to be careful, because you don't want to over trim the hair and then the puff become very, very small. Don't be like me. My puff was too small, so I made a mistake. Don't do it. Be careful when you're trimming with your scissors. Be careful, pay attention, and don't see movies while walking. That was what happened to me. If you notice, I'm always looking back, because there was a movie playing in the background. I wanted to know what's going on, what's happening now, and I ended up over trimming the hair. So, but don't do that. Just pay attention to your puff, okay? So yeah, we're going to trim off the excess hair that we do not need.
Moment right here, feeling like it's out gear, driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere, I swear, like an outlaw on the run. Dangerous, but it's so fun. Running, running, no. Hold on, don't let go. Running, running, no.
So at this point, we are done trimming the hair. You can see how the puff is looking. It was still looking beautiful though, but I would have wished that this hair was a bit fuller and, you know, bigger, and yeah, but it's okay. This was my first attempt anyway, so maybe the next one will be better, but it was still beautiful. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. And yeah, so let's move on to the next assignment by placing our band. This is the elastic band that I use, this big one. So if you're going to try doing this, I think, and you want to use a comb, a wig comb, you should please use this big band. It was really the best idea to use this band. So the reason I packed up the afro is because I want to really know where the lines are. Like, I didn't want to just put the band like that and then later on try to adjust. I just wanted to be sure of where to place the elastic band, so I used the pin to pin it down, so to be sure that the band is, you know, the size. And yeah, so I went ahead to sew the band together to make a circle. I don't know if that's the language to use. So guys, yeah, that is it. So at this point, you have to, you know, fold in the elastic band with the excess net that you have. Just fold it until you no longer see the net, like everything goes inside. I don't know if you understand what I mean. Just place it at the edge and start folding it in gradually until you get to the bottom of the net. So the net is around the band, if you get what I mean. So
say, what will you do with your life? You know it's hard to survive. A cigar in my mouth, maybe guilty but proud. Now I'm an outlaw on the run.
That you're gonna have to sew the net inside out. Like, if you can see what I am doing right now, you have to sew it so that when you place your comb or you're using it, the band will not start pulling up or the cap pulling out or something. Just sew the net and the cap and the what is it called again, and the band, the elastic bands together.
past that I'm done. Had no luck with my mom. Say, what will you do with your life? You know it's hard to survive. A cigar in my mouth. Maybe guilty but proud. Now I'm an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so fun. Running, running low. Hold on, don't let go. Running, running low. Keep running
low. As you can see how the inside of the puff is looking like we have something like a hole inside, and the band is around it. Is so beautiful, like very beautiful. You can see that. You can see. So I went ahead to remove the wig comb that I had on my old wig to make this puff like I didn't have any clip in or this thing, any comb, so I had to remove it from my old wig and sew it to my puff. So I removed 4. I sewed 4 clipping or wig comb to my puff, so that I can have it at the front, both sides and the back, so it can stay firmly to my head when I use it. So that was just what I did. And
feeling like it's out gear, driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair.
This is how it's looking now. You can see the wig comb around the puff. I'm really glad that I did this. I was so happy that I could achieve this. And yeah, here you can see the puff on my head. I was really happy about it, so I've been using it. Like, I even made another video with this cap with this puff. You're gonna be seeing that video maybe after this one. And thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends, family. Thank you for stopping by, and do not forget, you are beautiful just the way you are. And yeah, bye.